Hey fishy people, welcome back to the channel. For this video, I want to focus on a cool little nano fish that I stumbled across about 8 months ago, and that is the Dwarf Rasbora. There's your Latin name for y'all, you scientific people. They're in nature, they're found in the lakes of Myanmar, but the lake that they're found in, is constantly changing given, weather conditions and whatnot. So they are at risk of disappearing, but luckily these fish are easy to breed and have been bred extensively by hobbyists. So there's a large number of hobbyist bred populations, which is what makes them a more readily available nano fish in the hobby. These fish will be a unique addition to any, nano tank or smaller community tank, mainly due to their vibrant colors, which are orange, pink, copper, and red, and it's on both male and females. The females, of course, have a slightly muted color tone compared to the male, so both are just as equally as stunning. Their size is very small. They average between 1 to 1.5 inches, which again makes them perfect for your smaller nano tanks. They will get to be about 3 to 5 years in lifespan, depending on tank conditions as usual. They're extremely adaptable to most tank environments. They have an extremely large pH range and temperature range. Their pH range is anywhere from 6.5 to 8, though most people say 7 to 8 is more ideal, and temperature-wise is 68 to 80. Personally, I keep mine in a pH of 6.5 and at 77 degrees, and they are healthy and thriving and have not had any adverse effects as of now, and I've had them in this tank now for 8 months, and everyone's doing well. They're very peaceful temperament, so they can go with pretty much any fish that can live in the same parameters as them. Some common tank mates include some Danios like celestial pearls, glow lights, red dwarf rasboras, small catfish like pygmy cories or other corydoras, cherry shrimp, any freshwater snail you want to throw in there, and then your smaller barbs and things of that nature. You could also probably put them with tetras, because tetras can take their pH and temperatures as well. If you really want to see these guys pop and act very differently in a tank, you're going to want to give them nice plants to swim behind, rocks, decor, and things that they can get in and out of. You don't have to do live plants, but a couple of Anubias and Java Fern, they'd probably like that over a fake plant any day. So for me, I personally keep mine with a beta fish. They school up nicely, they're extremely active, and that fish is not trying to attack them at all. Of course, keep an eye on your betas if you're going to put them with them, because you never know, your fish could have a different personality than mine. They do school up tightly when the beta fish is around, so that might be part of the reason they don't get, attacked. I have seen some minor aggression in 2 of my males, which leads me to believe they were, one point fighting for dominance, and I think I was lucky enough to get that on film. So if I did, you should be seeing that now. It's actually kind of interesting. They kind of pecked at each other. Nothing too crazy. They're both fine. They got over it. For food-wise, these guys are like most other fish. They're an omnivore, so they're not too picky. For these guys, I would suggest maybe getting like an extreme spirulina flake and then following it up with a Hikari freeze-dried Daphnia or bloodworms. That way they have a veggie and some protein in there. And overall, given how easy these fish are to keep and their high adaptability and peaceful nature, the activity and color will enhance any smaller tank or mid-sized community tank. So for that reason, I'm going to give the Dwarf Rasbora a 10 out of 10 ram's horn snails. As always, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy it. Please leave a like if you did. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike so I know to never ever again make a video on Dwarf Rasboras. And of course, please make sure you smash that subscription button, ding that notification bell, and until next time guys, I will see you and have a good day.